Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to make a brochure using Canva. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so follow along to create a professional brochure for your business or company. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. If you do not have an account, you can sign up using your email or Google account. Once you log in, you will land on the Canva dashboard. This is where you will find all the design tools and templates that Canva offers. Canva is a powerful online tool that allows you to create various types of designs, including brochures, flyers, presentations, logos, social media posts, business cards, and much more. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, Canva makes it easy to create high-quality designs with its user-friendly interface and a vast library of templates, images, fonts, and graphic elements. To start creating a brochure, go to the search bar and type brochure. This will show you various brochure templates and design options to choose from. You will see various brochure templates that you can customize. Canva provides a wide range of professionally designed brochure templates for different industries, including real estate, travel, food and beverage, education, healthcare, and more. Whether you are designing a corporate brochure, a promotional brochure, or an informational brochure, Canva has templates to suit your needs. Now, select a template or start from scratch. Click on Create a Brochure to open a blank canvas. Brochures typically have 3 sections: the cover, the middle section, and the back section. You can choose a template that best fits your needs. For this tutorial, I will choose a template and customize it. If you prefer to design your brochure from scratch, you can do so by selecting the Custom Dimensions option and entering the desired width and height for your brochure. Standard brochure sizes include trifold, 8.5 x 11 inches, and booklet-style brochures. Choose the size that best fits your project. Once you select a template, Canva will open it for editing. Brochures have 2 pages, the outside and the inside. First, edit the outside of the brochure. Click on Add Page to add the inside layout. Let's work on the outside. This is the cover of our brochure. Then this is going to be the part that is going to be folded, and then this is the part that will be at the end. So we need to just customize it like you customize any of the template on Canva. It is essential to maintain a consistent theme that aligns with your brand identity. This includes choosing appropriate colors, fonts, and images that reflect your brand message. Canva makes it easy to apply brand colors and fonts by allowing you to save your brand kit, which includes your logo, color palette, and typography settings. To change the background color, select the background and click on the color palette at the top. Choose a color that matches your branding. If your template has a blue and white color scheme and you want a different look, select a new color. For example, I will choose white and purple. After changing the background color, update the text color to match the new design. Click on the text, open the color options, and change it accordingly. You can also apply gradients, textures, and patterns to the background to enhance the visual appeal of your brochure. Experiment with different background styles to create a unique design. Next, update the text content. Click on the heading text and type in the name of your company. For example, if you're creating a brochure for a YouTube automation company, enter that name in the heading. Below it, update the tagline, such as Grow Your YouTube Business. Then, edit the contact details, including the phone number, email address, and business address. If you want to add social media icons, go to the Elements section and search for the social media platform you need, such as LinkedIn. Select an icon that fits your design. Once you select the right one, change the color to white, make it really small, and place it exactly where you want. Now you have your LinkedIn logo perfectly positioned. Add a small text box below it and enter your LinkedIn handle. This is how you will be adding the information. You just add the icon, and then you can add your text right here. If you want to include other elements, simply go to the Elements section, search for what you need, and add them. Now let's work on this. You can see there's a code here, and if you don't want this design, you can always change it. I'll keep it simple like this, but let's modify something. I'm going with this option and there's a company name here, so I'll delete that. You can enter your company name. Canva also allows you to create custom QR codes that link to your website, social media pages, or other online resources. Now, let's update the images. If the template includes stock images, you can replace them with your own. Go to the Upload section and upload your image. Drag the image onto the template to replace the existing one. You can also search for relevant images under Elements and choose a free stock photo that suits your design. Canva offers millions of free and premium stock photos that you can use in your brochure. When selecting images, choose high-quality photos that are relevant to your business or message. Avoid using low-resolution or pixelated images as they can reduce the professionalism of your design. Next, let's customize the inside page of the brochure. This section usually includes an About Us section, services offered, testimonials, and additional images. Click on the About Us section and enter your company details. Remove unnecessary placeholder text. Update the Services section by listing your key offerings. If the template has a client testimonial section, replace the sample text with real customer reviews. Adding customer testimonials helps build trust and credibility. Be sure to include authentic reviews from satisfied clients to showcase the value of your products or services. Now, update the images on the inside page. Just like before, go to Uploads or Elements to find suitable images. Drag and drop them into the brochure design. If the background color does not match your theme, click on it and change the color to white or another preferred shade. Ensure that all elements have a cohesive look. Canva also provides various design effects, such as shadows, frames, and transparency adjustments to enhance the visual appeal of your brochure. Before finishing, double-check your design. Make sure the text is readable and all elements are aligned properly. Once satisfied, click on Share and then Download. Choose the file format. If you want a digital copy, select PNG. If you need a printable version, choose PDF. Click Download and your brochure will be saved to your computer. For high-quality printing, select the PDF print option, which provides a higher resolution suitable for professional printing. Now, you have a professional brochure ready to share with clients and customers. You can print it or send it digitally. Canva allows you to create brochures for free with customizable templates. If you want to take your brochure design to the next level, consider experimenting with additional Canva features. You can use animations for digital brochures, add hyperlinks for interactive elements, or even incorporate QR codes that lead to your website or portfolio. To add a QR code, go to Elements, search for QR code generator, and paste the URL you want to link. This is useful for marketing brochures where you want potential customers to visit your website with just a scan. That's it. Thank you for watching.